Hey guys, Trebor7 here. This is going to be a Volukinesis demonstration. Now, I don't know if the manipulation of insects is the best definition. I think it's more like a interaction or communication with insects. But nonetheless, this is going to be my second Volukinesis demonstration. If you haven't seen the first one, please check it out. And this footage you're seeing here is kind of like blooper footage. I messed around with this wasp you're looking at inside the Earth model there for a long time thinking I was recording, and I wasn't. Then I coaxed it into this container here and went to hit off, and it turned out I just started recording. So that's all I got to show for that. And these other clips you're seeing featured here, I'm not sure. I think the fly one I've uploaded, but I'm not sure if I've uploaded the moth one yet. Anyway, this is just kind of some B-roll footage and some clips that, like I said, I may or may not have already uploaded in another video. But as promised, there will be some fresh content about the 2-minute mark. And I've also mentioned in my previous video that I'm kind of busy. I'm focusing all my time and attention into building the greenhouses and learning how to grow successfully year-round in a greenhouse. So other than a side wheel or two that are sitting around my office and my house, and the blessing of water and making ormus, I'm not really practicing a lot of PK. So I wanted to definitely share this little dab I got for you. I have a lot of interactions with plants and animals and insects, far more intriguing stuff than what I have on video, but I try not to speak of things I don't have on video. And I don't carry a cell phone, so I don't get a chance to record this type of stuff very often. But I picked up some footage that just happened here in my office I'd share with you. And like I said, when I finish doing my greenhouses, I'm going to get back into the swing of things and probably hit that hydrokinesis some more, because I think there's more to learn there. But anyway, nonetheless, there's some fresh new Volukinesis footage for you. I had about 10 minutes before a group Skype chat the other day, and I was just sitting there in my chair kind of doing some breathing exercises, and this little feller landed on my arm. And I thought, boy, wouldn't it be cool if I could record this interaction with this guy? But I knew if I got up, he'd run away. So I just kind of wished and thought and willed for it to walk off my arm onto my chair so I could get up and go get the camera. And sure enough, it did. So I popped out the camera and starting to do a little interaction with this beautiful little moth. And I think adoration, we all vibrate at certain frequencies, and animals and insects and even children and things are attracted to people who are vibrating in this, the vibration of love, I guess, a high vibration. So a lot of times I'm not actually touching the bug. Sometimes I'm just getting close to it, make sure it's comfortable with me being that close to it. Then I'll touch an antenna and maybe pet a wing or so. But I think the true litmus test is to get it to come to you. Like summoning is what I call it, but just offer it a place to go, and if it willingly comes to you, I think you're performing Volukinesis. And I don't know that this is, definitely a form of psychokinesis. Like I said, I think it has more to do with the person, because I know other people that are, particularly people who use ormus. I hear a lot of people say after they started taking ormus that their animals and insects and things seem to be able to communicate with them better on a telepathy type thing, or just attracted to them naturally. And I think it's adoration. It's really hard to not like someone who adores you. I mean, that's even works between people. So, I always look at animals and insects and things with adoration and respect and love. And I think they can sense that, and they're attracted to that. So granted, this isn't some groundbreaking thing. Everybody's probably had a bug on them before, but like I said, it's kind of unique for me because I usually don't get a chance to record such things. But I'll be back in the swing of things soon. Appreciate you guys checking it out. Peace.